Hello, wanted to share with you this cheap and easy dinner that's cost under £1.90 for 4 persons. This dinner is full of vitamins and nourishment and packed with flavour. To start with, place a large cooking pan on the stove and pour oil to cover the base of the pan. Add 1 large onion, medium chopped, and fry for about a minute or until tender. Add 1 clove of garlic, finely chopped. $250 grams of defrosted and diced frozen chicken livers, and fry for a while until it's browned. Add half a teaspoon of mild chili flakes and stir. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Add 2 cups of easy cook rice. This is 450 grams for the 2 cups. Add 50 grams of pre-soaked and drained raisins. Pour 3 cups of chicken stock into the pan. That's 3 cups of stock for the 2 cups of rice we used. Stir all ingredients once, cover, bring to boil and simmer for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, remove the lid, stir the flaky rice and serve into individual plates. Enjoy your dinner. Bon appétit.